Hey, wait, can I ask you something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you remember day one? Like, do you actually remember how you felt on day one of this challenge?
Oh, wow. Day one. Yes, I remember feeling like, okay, I can do this. And then 2 minutes later, I cannot do this.
Exactly. Like, you open your mouth and nothing comes out. You know the word in your head, but your mouth just freezes.
It just stops working, like your brain and your mouth are not friends anymore.
Not friends at all. But hey, if you are watching this right now and you are on day 30, you made it. You actually made it. That is huge.
That is so huge. Seriously, give yourself a moment. Just take a breath. You did 30 days. That is not easy.
It really is not. So welcome, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. And oh my goodness, this is day 30, everyone, the final day of the 30-day English speaking challenge.
The final day. I feel emotional, Kate. I actually feel a little emotional right now.
Martin, are you going to cry?
Maybe a little. No, I'm good. I'm good. But seriously, 30 days, that's a lot of conversations, a lot of words, a lot of effort.
And a lot of mistakes, let's be honest.
Oh, so many mistakes. And that is okay. That is actually the whole point.
100%. Okay, so before we get into today's big topic, which is your final fluency check and your plan for the next 30 days,
Oh, yes, we have a plan for you, a real plan.
a really good plan. But first, guys, if you have been watching this series from day one, please leave a comment below. Just write day 30 done and let us know. We want to see you there.
Yes, we read every single comment. And if today is your first time here, welcome. Go back and start from day one. It's worth it, every single episode.
It really is. Okay, Martin, let's talk. Day 30, final fluency check. What does that even mean?
Good question. So, a fluency check is not a test. I want to say that clearly. It is not a test.
Because some people hear the word check and they get nervous.
Right. They think, oh no, am I going to fail? No, you cannot fail this. A fluency check is just you looking at yourself honestly. How am I speaking now? How was I speaking 30 days ago? What changed?
I love that. It's like looking in a mirror, but for your English.
Exactly. A mirror for your speaking. And most people, when they actually look, they're surprised because the change is bigger than they think.
Oh, definitely. I think a lot of learners don't notice their own progress. Like every day feels small, but 30 days together, that's big.
That's massive. Okay, so Kate, let's do a little fluency check together right now, like with our listeners. Let's give them some questions to ask themselves.
Ooh, I like this. Yes, let's do it.
Okay, question number one. Can you now speak one full sentence without stopping in the middle?
Ooh, that's a good one. Because on day one, a lot of people, they start a sentence and then they stop and they say, and then they forget the word and then they start again.
The problem. We all know it.
The is very real, Martin. Very real.
But by day 30, if you've been practicing, you can feel that those pauses are shorter. The is less. Not gone, but less.
And that's progress. That is real progress. Okay, question two. What's question two?
Question two, can you talk about your day in English? Like, not a perfect story, just simple. I woke up, I had coffee, I went to work. It was a normal day. Can you say that now?
Yes, and this one is so important because daily life English, that's where fluency starts. Not with big, complicated topics, just your day, your normal, boring, beautiful day.
Boring and beautiful. I love that.
Because some days are boring, and you should be able to say that in English too.
Absolutely. Today was boring. That's a complete sentence. That counts.
It counts. Okay, what's question three?
Question three, When someone speaks to you in English, do you understand more than before?
Ooh, this is a big one because listening and speaking, they work together.
They do. A lot of people focus only on speaking, but if your listening improves, your speaking improves too. It's connected.
It's like you can't cook if you can't read the recipe.
That's actually a really good comparison, Kate.
Thank you. I have my moments.
Okay, so listeners, right now, think about those three questions. 1, can you speak one full sentence? 2, can you talk about your day? 3, do you understand more? If you said yes to even one of those, you have improved, period.
Full stop. You improved, and you should feel proud of that.
Very proud. Now, let's talk about the next 30 days, because this is where it gets exciting.
Okay, yes, because I think some people finish a challenge and they think, okay, that's it, I'm done. Now what?
And that's the dangerous moment, right? Because English learning doesn't stop. It's not like you reach a finish line and then you're done forever.
It's more like you reach the end of one road and then there's another road, and that road is actually more fun.
Oh, I love that. The next road is more fun. Why is it more fun, Kate?
Because now you have a base. You have 30 days of speaking. You have vocabulary, you have some confidence, even if it's small, and now you can build on that.
Exactly. You're not starting from zero anymore. You are starting from day 31, and day 31 feels different.
Day 31 feels so different. Okay, so Martin, what is the plan? What should people do in the next 30 days?
Okay, so we have 5 things, 5 simple things. And I want to be clear, these are not hard things. These are things you can do every day, even if you are busy, even if you are tired.
Even if you are busy and tired, which is most of us, honestly.
Most of us, yes. Okay, number 1, keep talking to yourself.
Yes, this one is so underrated.
It really is. Talking to yourself in English, in your room, in the bathroom, in the car, that is practice, real practice. Nobody is watching, nobody is judging. You can make as many mistakes as you want.
I talk to myself in English all the time. My friends think I'm a little strange.
Just a little.
Just a tiny bit. But my English is better because of it, so I don't mind.
The results speak for themselves. Okay, number 2, find one English podcast, show, or video that you like and watch it every day. Just one, not 10, one.
This is so important because consistency beats quantity. Watching one video every day for 30 days is better than watching 10 videos one day and then nothing for a week.
Every single time. And it has to be something you actually enjoy. Don't watch something boring just because it's educational.
Yes, if you like cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you like football, watch football commentary in English. If you like drama, watch drama. The topic doesn't matter. The English does.
Perfectly said. Number 3, speak to one real person in English every week, at least once a week.
Ooh, this is the scary one for some people.
I know it's scary, but here's the thing. It doesn't have to be a native speaker. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a real conversation.
A language exchange partner, a friend who is also learning, an online conversation group. There are so many options now.
So many, and the internet makes it so easy. You can find a speaking partner from anywhere in the world.
Literally anywhere. And speaking with a real person, it does something that no app can do. It makes you feel alive. It makes the language real.
That's exactly it. The language becomes real. Okay, number 4, start a vocabulary notebook, but not a boring one.
Not the boring kind where you just write the word and the translation and then never look at it again.
That notebook. Don't make that notebook.
We've all made that notebook.
Every learner has that notebook somewhere. No, instead, write the word, write one example sentence with that word, your own sentence about your own life.
Oh, that's such a good tip, because then the word is connected to something real, something personal.
Exactly. I had a delicious coffee this morning. Now the word delicious is connected to your actual morning. You will remember it.
Much better than just writing delicious equals very tasty and closing the book.
Much, much better. Okay, and number 5, and this is my favorite one.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Number 5, record yourself speaking once a week for just 1 minute and listen back.
Oh, yes, this one is powerful.
It is so powerful because we can't always hear ourselves when we're speaking. But when you record and listen back, you hear everything. The mistakes, the good parts, the improvements.
And it can feel uncomfortable at first, like, do I really sound like that?
We all have that moment. That's my voice?
That cannot be my voice. But you get used to it, and then you start to hear yourself getting better. And that feeling, hearing your own improvement, is one of the best feelings in language learning.
One of the best feelings, period. Okay, so to summarize, 5 things for the next 30 days. Talk to yourself every day, watch 1 English video every day, speak to a real person once a week, keep a vocabulary notebook with your own sentences, and record yourself once a week.
5 simple things. You can do all 5. We believe in you.
We really do. And you know what, Kate? I want to talk about something that doesn't get mentioned enough. Confidence.
Oh, yes. Let's talk about confidence.
Because a lot of learners have the grammar, they have the vocabulary, but they don't speak. And the reason is not that they don't know English. The reason is they're afraid.
Fear, the number one enemy of English speaking.
The biggest enemy. And I want to ask, where does the fear come from? What are people actually afraid of?
I think they're afraid of sounding stupid, of making a mistake in front of someone, of people laughing at them.
Yes, that's real. That fear is real. But here's what I want everyone to hear. People are not laughing at you. They're not. Most people are impressed when someone speaks a second language. They're not looking for your mistakes.
And even if you make a mistake, so what? A native speaker makes mistakes too. I make mistakes. Martin makes mistakes.
All the time. Kate, tell them the story. The coffee shop story. Tell them.
Oh no, not the coffee shop story.
Tell them. It's a good one.
Okay. So, I was in a coffee shop in another country, and I wanted to order a small coffee. And I said, in English, can I have a small, and I completely forgot the word cup. I just forgot it. And I stood there for like 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
And then I just said, can I have a small container of coffee?
Container of coffee?
And the woman at the counter, she didn't laugh, she smiled. She said, of course, small cup coming right up. And that was it. Life continued. The world did not end.
The world did not end. And you got your coffee.
I got my coffee. The point is, you find a way. You always find a way. And people help you. Most people are kind.
Most people are very kind, especially when they see you trying. Trying counts for so much.
It really does. Okay, I want to ask our listeners something now because I'm curious.
Go for it.
So, everyone who is watching today, think back to when you started, day 1. What was the hardest thing for you? Was it grammar, vocabulary, confidence, pronunciation? What was your biggest challenge?
Ooh, that's a great comment question.
Leave it in the comments because I genuinely want to know, and I think other learners want to know too. You might help someone by sharing your answer.
Absolutely. And also, if you completed all 30 days, leave a comment that says, I did it. Just those 3 words, I did it. Because you deserve to say that.
You deserve to say it loud. I did it.
Yes. Okay, before we wrap up, I want to give one final thought. One thing I want everyone to take away from today.
What is it?
Fluency is not a destination, it's a direction.
Oh, say that again.
Fluency is not a destination, it's a direction. It means you don't one day wake up and say, okay, I'm fluent now, I am done. That's not how it works. Every day you speak a little more. Every day you understand a little more. Every day you move in the direction of fluency. And that movement, that daily effort, that is fluency.
I love that so much. That's going on my wall, genuinely.
genuinely proud. Okay, quick recap before we go. Do your fluency check. Ask yourself those 3 questions. Make your plan for the next 30 days, use the 5 steps we talked about, and keep going. Don't stop here. This is just the beginning.
Just the beginning. And if you haven't already, please like this video. It helps us so much. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and share this with one friend who is learning English. Just one friend. You might change their life.
You might really change someone's life by sharing this. That's not an exaggeration.
It's not. Okay, Martin, final words. What do you want to say to everyone?
To everyone who watched one video, or 10 videos, or all 30, thank you. Thank you for trusting us with your English journey. It means more than you know. Keep speaking, keep trying, keep making mistakes, and keep going. You've got this.
You really, really have got this. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care of yourselves, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Day 30, done.